want to look at a scene from Despicable Me 2, where the minions, the good ones, the yellow ones, are being transformed to the evil minions, the purple ones. Alright, for this experiment, I've built my own minion. With the help of a friend, we use a 2-liter bottle of Coke, old pair of jeans, top covers of salt and pepper shakers, and a little science. Inside the bottle, there's water and an acid-base indicator, Bromophenol blue. Although the word says blue, it actually changes from 2 colors, from yellow to purple. It's yellow whenever it's acidic, purple whenever it's basic. So by simply adding a little bit of base or acid, we could switch from one color to the other. Let's check it out. All right, Dr. Nefario comes in, puts the cap on top. Yeah. Come on in. Later in the movie, a whole bunch of evil purple minions get transformed back to yellow. So let's bring it up a notch. Dr. Nefario in the house. Ha ha ha!